Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. You know our specialty, it's only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Well, today I have a lovely 1979 Baron 55 to tell you about. She has de-ice boots, alcohol prop, alcohol windshield, color radar. She is ready for business. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engines. Teldon Continental IO 470, 260 horsepower. 45 hours on the Luft engine since major overhaul, and 1,269 hours on the right engine since factory Reman. And your props, 117 hours since prop overhaul. So for all those business trips you'll be taking and your travels for pleasure, you're going to want to take your things with you. We can carry up to 300 pounds up front. So this Baron has so many wonderful features, as mentioned before. Here you can see full de-ice boots. We also have VGs, Vortex generators, a great feature for safety when it comes to aerodynamics. When it comes to fuel, 136 gallons of usable fuel. So let's check out the exterior. Matterhorn white overall with maroon and silver stripes, in good condition, new paint in 2004, 4,845 hours total time on the airframe since new. So your useful load for this Baron, 1,469. Check out the interior. Now it does come with 6 seats. The 5th and 6th seat right now are not installed, but they're in great condition. So come here, let's check out the interior together. Very nice gray leather seats, matching carpet, sidewalls and headline are really in perfect condition. 4-place intercom system, shoulder harnesses for everyone, sheepskin inserts in the front for the pilot and co-pilot. And check this out, custom pillows in the cabin. Let's take a look at the flight deck. Garmin 430 GPS Navcom with WAAS. Your number 2 is a Collins Digital Com and a Collins Digital Nav. For traffic, we have ADS-B traffic on the 430. Weather, ADS-B weather on the 430 as well. Check out your color radar. It's RCA color radar. Your transponder is a Garmin GTX 345 with ADS-B in and out. Your autopilot is a Century 4 autopilot. Now the pitch is in-op. The owner has elected to either repair the autopilot or give the new owner the equivalent discount to apply towards a new autopilot. Other features you will appreciate: full de-ice boots, 3-blade alcohol props, alcohol windshield, 6 seats. The 5th and 6th seats are not installed, but they come with the aircraft. Vortex generators, pilot and co-pilot sheepskin seat inserts, and special throw pillows for the cabin. So this workhorse, this 1979 Baron 55, is looking for a new home. She is ready for travel, ready for business. We've got the de-ice boots, we've got the alcohol windshield, alcohol props, color radar, nice panel, nice interior. Give us a call. We are Carolina Aircraft. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We'd love to meet you. Now do know, Baron School, it is included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you Baron. So come see us, we'd love to meet you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.